I'm just on a little stroll here in my local forest and the views are stunning. I think I can get used to vlogging. Do you guys like the content I make? If you do, like, yeah, hit me up. Look how beautiful that is. It's a beautiful day. These days don't come that often in Holland. Just chilling in the police interrogation room. I'm not under arrest though. Wow, look at this. Oh, what a good life. I wish I could just chill like this dog. Hey boy, hey, what's up buddy? Huh? You just enjoying life? Huh? Oh, that's a good boy. Hey buddy. Did you have a good nap? You look so sleepy. What's this? Huh? What's this? Hey, wanna play? What's that? Hey, come on. Wanna play? Here you go. Get it, boy. Get it, boy. Get him, boy. What's good, gang? I actually am in need of a haircut quite urgently, but I'm just letting it be, you know? I kinda like the bun, although my hair's just too short, these pieces don't quite fit in yet. But yeah, I don't know. Should I cut it or grow it out? Yes or no? Leave in the comments, I am curious. And all the rest, quite an enjoyable day. Gonna meet up with my friend Danny right now. Gonna hang out, chill a bit. Yo G.
Yo G, how are you doing?
Good morning, Holland and the rest of the world. I'm on my way to, well, okay, this thing is, let's turn down the exposure. Well, that's bad. Yeah, there we go. It's Wednesday today, and I'm on my way to go get a haircut because, yeah, my hair is pretty damn long, and I haven't been to the hairdresser in a few months. Anyhow, I'm not sure what style I'm gonna do yet, but I'm looking for something modern, so yeah. Bam. I'm not... Damn, that looks so much different with how my hair. But this is not a really stronghold one though. I don't know, I don't really like this haircut that much anymore. What's up guys? Guess who's back? Who's back from South Africa representing with the beanie over there?
Baie dankie. We gaan.
Look at his tan.
I don't have one. It's embarrassingly white. Props, man.
Yeah, G.
Dude. Hot tubs.
This is literally the third time he has mentioned hot tubs at this exact same spot. And I can't see like what the thing is that reminds him of hot tubs.
I'll show you why. Come here.
I'm curious though.
It looks like a hot tub. Yes.
What?
It looks like a hot tub in Canada.
Oh, this roof thingy?
Yeah.
Look, I'm in someone's yard. And that apparently... Oh, yeah, okay, I see why you could think that's a hot tub.
Yeah, it's a hot tub.
Because of the roofing?
Yeah, it's a hot tub.
Cool. Let's say hello, ask if we can use it.
Looking.
World Explorer. It's only a Canadian that can look like a backpacker and still have swag.
What of it though? Yeah.
While we're walking.
Yeah.
Do a little performance.
Yeah, why not? I should try busking, man.
Yeah.
Illegally.
I think it's allowed in Holland.
I think you need a license. I think you have to be good to busk though, don't you?
I don't know. Ed Sheeran and Justin Bieber did it.
Yeah, they're not good. Ed Sheeran sucks, man. So bad. This music is so yucky. Love you. This one goes out to a girl with the last name of... Don't actually know her last name. Probably doesn't have one yet. I'll give her one.
This thing is such a close-up though.
Just feel it. I got a nice smile out of that middle chick, bro.
Yeah.
It's too cold for the guitar. Like, my fingers won't move. Oh yeah, I'm in Holland and I'm not smoking weed, 'cause I don't do drugs and I don't have rugs from Turkey. Oh yeah, I'm in Holland and I'm not smoking weed, 'cause I don't